I gave you my heart.
Here's a little sneak peek of a hair style in this video, but today I'm going to do hair style that cerebral palsy people can do depending on the type of cerebral palsy you have. But I've got left side hemiplegia and this is the type of cerebral palsy I have. I've also got mild, so if you can't do any of these, don't be disheartened. I just want to show you guys what type of hair styles you can do independently. Let's get into this video. This is the first hair style. I didn't do my hair like very good, but my mum plaited my hair. The first hair style, unless you can do a plait, I can, but I'm still going to show this because it is a hair style that you can do if you have a partner who you live with, or like your parents or a friend that you live with. They can still do it. I know it's not as independent, but this is the only hair style that you need help with. My mum put a bubble in, but it wasn't like this bubble, so through the night it fell out and that's why it looks like this. But I did put a bubble in and it's still a bit pleated, so we're going to take it out and see what it looks like. I need to brush it out, but this is what it looks like when I first take the plait out. I recently got this brush. It's a Tangle teaser brush, but it's way more easier because it's actually got a handle. With this hair style, I just brush gently because I still want the curls to be in, but as you can tell, I've got a messy hairdo today. I would recommend doing this with wet hair if you're gonna sleep over and sleep in it, because my hair is so tuggy this morning. The first look, the final look of look one. So as you could probably see, that I was mainly brushing the top of my head so it wasn't that frizzy, and I don't brush the bottom so the curls stay puffy and stay like curly. It's normally more curlier than this. Next look, I actually do this look with this hair style, and if I'm ever just going out and it's a quick look, this is my fringe here, and it's pretty much, you need two hands, but on your left side or your right, whatever it is, your hemiplegia hand, or, but you just grab it, grab your fringe, brush it out a bit, or try and brush your fringe up. Then I'm going to use this clip I've got. So it takes a couple of times to do it, but that is because you need to make the front of it straight and no lumps, and that's what I find difficult when I'm styling or putting up my hair, is like getting lumps in my hair. This hair style doesn't take that long, but you still need to keep on trying with it. The clips that I've got this one, this one's an actual proper clip, this one, all of these ones in there, they're like these, loads of them. I don't use these types of clips that often. I mainly use these ones, but I do have a lot because this is the easier hair style I can do with having left side hemiplegia. It's just quick and easy, and it doesn't look bad. It's very rarely that you can mess this hair style up. All you need is a fringe that you can go back I don't know if it will work with an actual fringe what goes under your eyebrow, but if you've got like a side fringe, that's all you need. A side fringe, a clip, and being able to like grab it a tiny bit of your hair just so you can clip the hair back. The next hair style is a plain bobble. Now this took me a while to be able to do it and it look neat, because it is such a struggle doing your hair and it's looking like a toddler's done it. And when I'm 22, and I'm guessing most of you are like around my age, or like at least in your teenage age, yeah, you want to be independent, so you want to do it the best you can. So if you have not brushed your hair back yet, get your brush that you use, brush your hair back as much as you can. Do the sides. And because, personally on me, if you can, hold your hair and brush it like this and then grab. I can't do that without there being lumps, so that's why I brush my hair back first and then put the bobble in. I grab, as you can see with my hand, I grab it, and while holding it, I then my other hand. But because I've got all these bumps, I'll need to let go and then brush it again. I just want to say, if you see any flaky like white bits, I've got psoriasis. It's a skin condition. Also, the redness on the back of my neck and behind my ears is the skin condition as well. And that is what it looks like from the back. And this is what it looks like from the front. It's not the best I've done because there is still bumps, but I try and focus on, and if my front, like from here, if that is bumpy, I need to redo it. At the end of the day, it's not going to be perfect because we've got cerebral palsy and we've got, well, my type of cerebral palsy is hemiplegia, so I've got one side weak and the other, so it's not going to be perfect, but it's as perfect as we can do it. The more you practice, the more you can get it perfect. It took me ages to even do my hair on my own independently. Even in the ponytail, it took forever to not get bumps in, but I practice and practice and practice, and now I'm here. So yeah, it's not perfect, it's not the best, but it's better than it used to be. And the more you practice, the more you'll get better at it. Next one. Now, you've done your bobble. I've just recently learned this hair style, even though loads of people know about it. But if you're like me and you can't do a bun with just one bobble, you can't do it. You can't do like a nice, when they curl it up and like just put one bobble in. It's not that nice. I know it is called a messy bun, but literally, if I did that, it would be like just mess, not even a bun. So what I do is put my hair up as high as you can, get yourself in a bobble, and I would recommend doing this bobble, so a thinner bobble, and then get a scrunchie. Pull it, and then you grab it, got it here, and then you just turn. You hold it with one finger, and then get a bobble that you want, or a scrunchie, put it on, hold it like that. And then voila. Again, I could actually do better than that. But that is the messy bun. gonna try again. Again, it's not the best I can do. I can do better than that. But the more you practice, the more it gets neater and perfect. Even though no hair style is perfect, what I mean by perfect is it will be more slicked back and more neat. And like I said, I've only just started doing this bun, so it is going to be more messier than my bobble or my fringe being pinned back with a clip. But the more you practice and the more I practice with this bun, the better I will get with it. And same goes with any hair style you want to do. I have tried plaiting my hair loads when I was a kid and I just could not do it. So if there is a hair style that you just can't do, you've tried so many different ways, don't be disheartened. There is going to be other hair styles that you can do and they're going to be amazing. The only other recommendation, I'm not doing this today, but if you want to full on get ready with me doing my hair with this product, I'm going to quickly show you. The reason why I'm not going to do it today is because my hair is very frizzy from the plait and I don't have any like protecting heat. But if you can't straighten your hair or curl it, I definitely can't curl my hair, that's why I do a plait. But if you can't straighten your hair with normal straighteners, I recommend getting this. Now I don't use this that often because I don't straighten my hair that often, but this is a brush what heats up and it straightens your hair. I'm lucky enough that I've got natural straight hair when I don't try and curl it, but this brush is really good. So you plug it in. You can get these brushes anywhere, just type in straightener brush onto Google. I will try and link some in the description, or one of them. My mum got me this for Christmas. I don't know where she got it from, but you just plug it in, and then the one I've got has like, it shows you how hot it is. Then on the side you can go up and down, and then you just switch it off by this. But it's so much easier because you can just brush it with your good hand instead of burning yourself while holding your hair and straightening. So if you do want to straighten your hair but you can't do it independently, I recommend getting one of these or ask for one for Christmas because Christmas is coming up. That is all the hair styles that I do on my own hair and that I can do on my own, except from the plait one. I do need help with that, but like I said, don't be disheartened that if you need help with one or two hair styles. The more you practice, the more you'll get better at it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't know what else to say. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want other types of videos like this, let me know in the comments. I don't know what other types of videos I could do to do with my hair, but let me know. Give me some suggestions. Give me some suggestions in the comments.